What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Happy Monday. Hope you're doing well. We're going to go over Bitcoin. Looks like we may come down for a little liquidity grab. We're sitting at 41K. We're down 2.4 on the day. See, market cap 805 billion, 24-hour volume 18 billion. Let's hop into the chart. So I think we may create one more lower low to grab some liquidity and stop out some short trades. If we bounce from here, then we can follow this blue arrow. But if we quickly look at a micro count for this wave 5, I thought we may push up from here, but we rolled. So it looks like we're going to grab some liquidity. Wave 1 down, wave 2, and then this was your wave 3. Pull back in a wave 4, and then you would come down in one more low. Grab that liquidity, stomp out some shorts, and then push up in that wave B. I think that's likely. Let's take a look at the 4-hour chart. Yeah, so you can see... let me open this up. You can see that if we do create that lower low, we will be printing a bullish divergence on the 4-hour from this wick low here. You can see slightly higher highs on the RSI. So if we see that bounce, create a lower low, grab that liquidity, see that bounce, still print the bullish divergence, that's when you could push up in the wave B. So do watch for that. I do think that's a likely scenario. Looking at our next chart here, what we're looking for is to push up in that B, pull back in the wave 4. We have strong support in between about 36.9K, 40K, push up in a wave 5, potentially complete a wave 3. All this correction will take till April, I'm sure. To the halving, we pull back in that wave 4, and then boom, we cross the halving. We start to push up towards the previous all-time high. DXY doing exactly as we've been predicting here, seeing that little bit of pullback. We may come back to retest that wedge. If we do come down further, then it will allow Bitcoin to push up in that wave B before DXY continues to the upside, and we see that wave C down for BTC. That's what I think is likely. We are in a few trades right now, as well as forex trades. If you want completely free access to my signals, sign up to BITUNIX, no KYC, no VPN, all around the world, including for my US and Canadian traders. And then send me email after you make your first deposit, and I'll give you completely free access to my VIP rooms, which include my daily crypto analysis, my exact crypto trade setups. As I mentioned, we're on a few trades right now. Crypto news, member profits, forex signals, forex analysis, trade crypto, trade forex, all in one place. All links down below. Sign up to BITUNIX with the first deposit for free access. Otherwise, it's $10 a month. Sign up to the Patreon link. Smash up that like button for the YouTube algorithm. See you in the next video. Much love. Take care.